Greetings to you all. I know there are a lot of people who are preparing for their OET exams for this January 12th, February 2nd, February 23rd, even for IELTS. A lot of people are practicing a lot every day, spending 2 to 3 hours reading something, reading materials, practicing things, writing essays, and trying to get it assessed from their teachers. I know there are a lot of struggle which you're doing to make up your skills, make up your language abilities. I need you to understand one thing, guys. Please make this concept clear in your mind. This is an exam which is completely skill based. There is nothing you can just learn by heart something as we do in our school or colleges. We learn something, we try to by heart something and try to put that in your paper. That will not help. This is entirely a skill based test where you need to do something extra to develop your skills. For example, for reading, I've seen many candidates do find difficulty in reading. They do not go the score above what is required. They always be at C plus, or in IELTS they be at 6.5, even though their writing abilities are really good. They don't understand, why am I not able to get the particular answer in that way, the way others are getting it. The reason for that is the way you're processing information is different than others who's able to get 7.5 and 8 bands, or an OET B grade or grade A. This is something you need to understand. This is a difference which you need to make up. You need to make sure your reading speed is something which need to be improved. Because for an average reader, the reading speed would be around 130 to 140 words per minute. But if you see a good reader who can score a band of 8 bands in IELTS or grade A in OET, that person will have a reading speed of about 180 words per minute. So this is a challenge which you should be accepting. This is a challenge which you should be working towards. You need to make sure that every day you spend 3 to 4 hours not solving question papers, but reading something. Reading can definitely help you to develop your reading comprehension abilities, and that comprehension abilities will improve your processing of informations in your mind. Once you're able to process quick, you will automatically see that you're able to find answers quick, and most of your answers are correct. This is something which you should be practicing every day. And even in writing, you need to make sure that you think a lot when you're writing. Do not try to copy the same sentence from the question paper. If there is a case note given to you, try to read the case note, understand the case note, and try to write a letter without taking any sentence from the question paper. Try to paraphrase, maximum paraphrase. Try to put things in your own words. Try to write as natural as possible. That will definitely help you to achieve what is required. Everyone, understand one thing: you have been doing your graduation, you have been doing in your schooling in the same language, and you're still struggling with the language. That's strange. There is nothing strange about it. The only thing what you need to work towards is improve your abilities on this language. This is just a language you can master. A human being can master more than 10 languages. This is just an English language. You can easily achieve it. Just believe that you will be able to do it. Change your thought process on this. Thought process hampers a lot towards your hard work. If you start believing that this is an easy task and I'll be able to achieve it, definitely you're going to achieve it. That's my assurance to you. So make sure, guys, every day, at least for 3 hours, read something, and at least write one letter every day for OET. Make sure you paraphrase as much as possible, and that will definitely help you to achieve the score what is required. All the best for your exams. Any queries, any doubts, or anything you want and help in your OET exams, do contact me through my Facebook page or our YouTube page, which is British Academy Mumbai. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.